When you need to track time in your notes or build a timeline of events, Routine offers plenty of timestamp options. These are great for meetings, lab work, logs, and interviews. You can stamp the current date, time, or both. Your logs start to take shape after a couple of entries. Routine can timestamp your previous or next day, the day of the week number, month of the year, quarter, semester, or the year as a whole. So you can really break down your logs however you want, as long as it makes sense for your work. If you need to, you can quickly go to these different dates to view your tasks or the calendar.